All right, let's get into one of the most important skills you can have in SQL, sorting data. We're going to learn how to take a total mess of information and turn it into something perfectly organized. We're literally going from chaos to clarity. Let's do this.
You know that feeling, right? You open up a database and it's just this wall of information. You know what you need is in there somewhere, but trying to find it feels like an impossible task. It's pretty overwhelming.
I mean, just look at this. It's a simple contact list, but it's a complete jumble. If you wanted to find, say, David Chen, you'd literally have to read every single line. It's slow, it's frustrating, and it's just a headache.
But what if I told you that with just one simple command, we can fix all of this? We can take that chaotic mess and make it perfectly, beautifully clear. And that's exactly what we're about to do.
So, here's our game plan. We'll start with why this is so important. Then, we'll get into our main tool for the job. After that, we'll add some more control, get into some advanced techniques, and finally, see how this stuff is used out in the real world.
So first up, why even bother sorting data in the first place? It might seem kind of obvious, but the reasons are actually all around us in our daily lives.
Just think about it for a second. When you scroll through your phone's contacts, you just expect them to be in alphabetical order. When you check a leaderboard for a game, you want to see the highest scores right at the top. And when you check your online orders, you want the newest one first. Sorting is what makes data easy for us humans to actually read and understand.
Okay, so how do we pull this off in SQL? Well, let me introduce you to your new favorite command, your sorting superpower, order by.
It's really that simple. Order by is the instruction you give the database to tell it how to arrange the results. You just point it at the column you care about, and it does all the heavy lifting for you. And this is pretty much the magic spell right here. The first part, select star from contacts, just means, hey, get me everything from the contacts table. But the new part, order by name, is our specific instruction. And please sort all of that alphabetically using the name column.
Remember our messy table from a minute ago? Here it is again, in all its disorganized glory. But get ready, because we're about to fix it.
And boom, just like that. Look at how clean that is. With just that one little command, our contact list is perfectly sorted. Alice, Bob, Carol, David, everything is right where it should be. That's what order by does.
Now, sorting from A to Z is great. That's usually what you want. But what if you need to go the other way? Let's talk about how to control the direction of the sort.
So we've got two keywords for this, ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. Ascending, or ASC, goes from A to Z, or from the smallest number to the largest. That's the default, so if you don't type anything, that's what you get. But if you want the opposite, Z to A or largest to smallest, you just have to add DESC right after the column name. Okay, this is where it starts to get really, really powerful. What if you need to sort by one thing, but then, if there are ties, you want to sort by something else? Well, that's called multi-level sorting, and it lets you add incredible layers of organization.
The logic is actually pretty intuitive. First, the database sorts the entire table based on the first column you give it. Then it goes through and looks for any rows that have the exact same value in that first column. For just those little groups, it then applies your second sorting rule.
Let's look at this query. We're giving it two instructions here. We're saying, first, sort everyone by their grade, and I want the highest grade on top, so make it descending. Then, if any students have the same grade, sort that little group by their name, alphabetically.
So here's our students table. You can see we've got a couple of students who got a 90 and a few who got an 85. And right now their names are all mixed up within those grades.
And here's the result. It's beautiful. Check out the two layers of order. First, the whole table is sorted by grade from highest to lowest, 95, 90, 85. But now, look closely inside the 90s. Within that group, they're now sorted alphabetically by name. Alice comes before David. Same thing for the 85s. That right there is the magic of multi-level sorting.
So this isn't just some abstract technical thing. Sorting is a skill that you can and will use absolutely everywhere, from personal projects all the way to a professional career. You know, for your own stuff, you could use this to find your most recent notes or to organize a to-do list by priority. But professionally, it's essential. Companies use this every single day to create reports of their top-selling products, to rank their biggest customers, or to show the latest transactions on a dashboard. So let's just do a super quick recap. Order by is your main command. ASC and DESC lets you control the direction.
And you can list multiple columns to create these really sophisticated, layered ways of organizing data. It's your complete toolkit for creating order.
And really, the main takeaway is this. Sorting is the bridge that connects raw data to human understanding. It's the very first step in making data useful so that anyone can look at it and instantly start seeing patterns and finding what they need.
When you learn to organize your data, you're not just tidying up, you're getting it ready to tell you a story. You're giving it a voice. So the real question now is, what stories are waiting inside your data?